Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix no sound driver error on Roblox Mobile. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step restart your device. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches affecting sound drivers. Power down your core mobile device completely. Wait at least without seconds, then power it back out. Allow the device to fully boot before launching Roblox to check if the sound issue is resolved. This process forces a refresh of system resources, potentially re-establishing the connection between Roblox and your audio hardware.
Step update your sound drivers. Outdated or corrupted sound drivers are a common cause of audio problems. Navigate to your device manager. Search for it in the Windows search bar. Expand Sound Video and Game Controllers. Right-click on your audio device. Realistic High Definition Audio and select Update. Driver choose Search automatically for drivers and allow Windows to find and install the latest version. If this fails, manually download the latest driver from your sound card manufacturer's website. Realistic until NVIDIA. Restart your after updating.
Step update or install Roblox Mobile. An outdated or corrupted Roblox installation can interfere with sound functionality for both and mobile. You can install Roblox completely use the control panels, add or remove programs or apps. Features on mobile you'd install via your device app store. After you'd installing, restart your device, then reinstall Roblox from the official website or app store. Mobile, ensure you are downloading from a trusted source to avoid malware. Step check your audio settings. Mobile content verify your system's audio settings are correctly configured. Open the sound settings. Search for it in the Windows search bar. Check that the correct audio device is selected as the default output device. Adjust the volume levels for both the system and Roblox, ensuring they are not muted on mobile. Access your device settings app and navigate to the sound settings. Ensure the volume is turned up and that the device's audio isn't muted or set to silent mode. Step check Roblox in-game audio settings. Roblox itself has audio settings. Launch Roblox and navigate to the game settings menu. This can vary slightly depending on the game. Make sure the sound effects and music are enabled and that the volume levels are not set too low if the game allows. For selecting an output device, ensure that the correct device is chosen. Restart Roblox after any changes to these settings.